So basically, I'll be showing you guys how to take care of a lot of hair problems. Like I'll be giving you guys tricks and tips on how to achieve flawless hairstyle. So we'll be going from 0 to like 100. So in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to take care of torn laces. You don't necessarily need to throw them away or get a new one. So if you're interested in knowing how to do this video is definitely for you, and you need to keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your boy Louis. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like my videos, share them with your friends, and also don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment box. Let's interact there. So diving into why we're here. So looking at this hair, it looks like nothing is wrong with it, though we've revamped the hair. So I'm going to turn it so you guys can see the closure. So you see it has openings. So now I will be working with my bold hold wig tape. Then I'll also get my lace. These are some of the laces I got from some frontals I did, and here is my scissors. Now I'm going to cut out the lace and match it on it to make sure it's same size with the opening. So now I'll just cut. So guys, I actually figured out how to treat this case last year. I think that was in October. So but I'm going to like try out something. If for people who don't have the bold hold wig tape, I'm going to try out something so that I can also put it here so you can see how to do it if you don't have the wig tape. So I'll also bring out the wig tape and measure it. So after that, I'm going to cut it and then take out the tape itself and place it on that part. So after that, I'm going to be peeling off the white stuff, the plaster on it. Then after that, I'm going to get the lace and then put it on it. So now I'm going to press it and then get a needle to take out the plaster from it. Then after that, I'm going to get the lace and paste it. flaky. That's it. So I'm going to get my hand dryer and then use a warm breeze to, you know, dry it out so it can get sticky. Then after that, I'm going to cut out the excess lace from the closure, then press it in, and voila, we're done. So now guys, I'm going to be parting the hair so you can see what it looked like with the lace and the wig tape. From our results here, it looks like nothing happened to our lace, so that's how we roll. Hello everyone, I hope this video was really insightful and you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll be able to treat all your thorn laces issues and not having problems with them. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video, like some of my other videos. I have a lot of amazing videos, so I'm going to leave them up here so you could go watch and learn. So I'll see you guys in my next video.